Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Alright guys,
Liftoff.
it's
We
the
have
next
a
game
liftoff.
show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Tuesday, August 26th. XRP is back to $3. Let's dive right into the charts and get right into it today. We had a nice, massive green day. Yeah, guys, so we started the week off with a fat red candle all the way back down to support. And you can see how we're respecting these levels just perfectly. We are consolidating in this bull pennant here. We wicked right to the support, exactly to the T at 283. And we got a massive green day all the way up to 307, and we closed the day at 301. We'll have to see what happens, guys. It's been so up and down lately. Just up and down 20-30 cents a day. But I do think that things are getting ready to take off. We are very, very, very close to the breakout. I highly think the XRP will be pumping into the end of the month. Let's look at the weekly so far. Weekly's looking great. You can see that nice wick to support, and we are pushing up. So, guys, this week is just getting started. This could be a massive, massive week, like I was saying in my previous video. If you haven't watched it yet, go ahead and watch it. I went over the weekly close. But, yeah, this wick is filled. Let's send it higher. We're looking for that 364 range. We want to get above that. But taking it to the daily, if we look in the immediate short term, kind of what we're looking at here, could this be a bottom wick to another massive daily candle? Potentially. We got 302 as resistance. You can see we did close below it here on the daily. We want to get above that. And ultimately, guys, the next area of resistance is at 315. Potentially could wick above, but we need to see a daily close above this resistance line here. So, once we do close above this resistance and we wait for the confirmation, I would say it is safe to say that we're going to fly right up to 360. And guys, look at this level here. The price likes to go from 302 straight up to 345. Just like right here, we went from 353 and we came right back down to 305. This area can be, price can move very quick. Same with right here. We went from $3 all the way up to 333 in one day. So the moment we get above this red line here, the price can take off and can move very, very fast. So I'm going to be watching that very closely. But yeah, it was a great day for all the cryptos, really. I mean, everything did exceptionally well. If you guys are holding Crow, we had a heck of a day with Crow. Shout out to all the Crow bag holders. 36% for the day. I think it was 36%. Ended up closing at 31, but we did go all the way up to 38%, and Crow is still rising. So, if you're holding that bag, congratulations. I don't just hold XRP, you guys. I mean, XRP is by far my biggest holding, by far. But Crow is in the bag. You can see this major, major resistance here. So I would expect, potentially the next target for Crow, if it wants to continue, potentially up to the 28, 29-cent range. Potentially before getting a slight pullback. Although we could get a pullback still. I mean, we went up 30-something% in a day, so that was pretty nice. I did actually take some profits and roll it into some others that potentially have a better ROI, just better solid projects in general. But let's get to what matters here. Let's get back to our XRP. So, guys, above this range here, above the 302, we need that close, and then next stop is 315. Looking at the monthly so far, like I said, I do think that we'll most likely get a pump into the end of the month. And wow, look at this month. It is August 26th. We have 4 days left to the month. And this is what the candle's looking like. Like a complete doji. Yeah, guys, a lot can happen in these 4 days. You know, what does this candle want to do? It's decision time. It's right in the middle. It's got about equal distance to the top and bottom, and it's just right in the middle, compressing, compressing, compressing all month long, and it is getting ready to make a decision. And you'd be surprised how this looks now, and in 4 days, what this could look like. I mean, we could be way up here in just a couple days towards the end of the month, and this candle could completely change structure. So, I let's just see what happens. Like I said, I do think we're gonna pump into the end of the month, so I will be watching out for that. I'll be keeping you guys updated weekly. You know, we started with the bottom wick. It's only Tuesday. We're going into Wednesday here, and you know, there's a lot that can happen. We got 5 days left. We haven't seen anything yet. This week can do a lot. So let's take it a day at a time. I know the days have been volatile. We came down to 280, back up to 3. You know, we're going to go back down to 280 and then back up to 3. You know, guys, it's hard to say, right? But anything's possible. Right now, we're very bullish. There's no reason to be bearish. There's no reason to, you know, want to sell right now or anything like that. Drops to 283. That's not bearish at all. We're maintaining structure. We're in this bull pennant. We're consolidating sideways, just gearing up for the next major move. And like I said, guys, I already shared targets to the major move. We're looking at about $5. So that's going to be coming very, very quick. Let's take a look at X here. XRP actually flips Bitcoin in market cap. $180 billion for XRP's market cap. Here we got the flash crash from sorry, this is from Sunday. I have not been on X too much in the past couple days, but if you guys remember Sunday, we had that flash correction for Bitcoin and the rest of the market, and a whale sold 24,000 Bitcoin, including coins that hadn't moved in over 5 years. So a whale just cashed out on a few $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. So yeah, I mean, that's normal. People are taking profits. So, let's see, guys. We got breaking. Santander's Ripple-powered payment system is now live. The OnePay FX app using Ripple's XRP on-demand liquidity allows near instant cross-border money transfers, real-world adoption at scale. So that's about it for today when it comes to just a quick updates with the news on X. I will be adding more to this, but XRP is now in the top 100 companies by market cap, Ripple by market cap in the world. So, you know, getting into that top 100, passing BlackRock, huge milestone, huge success, and it's only just beginning from here. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, liking the video, and I will keep you updated in the next one. Until next time.
3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen,